People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.